Before going into the video, I request y'all to like and subscribe my channel. Also, this tutorial only covers the shake used in the edit. Full edit in description. Comment below for the turbulent glitch and any other tutorials and I'll try my best to make them. First, mark your beats and make your transitions ready. Now click on the null in which you have added the zoom transitions. Go to Effects and add Auto Shake. Now follow my steps. Adjust the start and end keyframes of each property as per your beat markings. Now duplicate the shake. Now simply adjust the keyframes as per beat markings. Follow my steps. Repeat the same steps for each beats you want. In order to show the result, I'll copy-paste this part alone in a new project. Also make sure to check out my AMV Edits channel and Audio Edits channel. Link in description. Here's the shake, guys. I have disabled the turbulent just to show the shake. If you guys want this turbulent glitch tutorial, then comment below. Here's our result with shake, as well as turb glitch. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out my other tutorials in the playlist.